Humane Ai Pin wearable AI device. Introducing the Humane AI Pin, your ticket to a tech-tastic world. This wearable wonder transforms your AI game on the go. Imagine chatting with AI like it's your BFF, talk, gesture, or even flaunt objects. Laser ink display on your palm. Yup, it's that cool. Seamless vibes for your daily hustle. The iMic is your speedy search buddy, and it even mimics your tone in messages. And guess what? The Cosmos operating system is like AI's cool new dance move. Intelligent, interactive, and super secure. Powered by Snapdragon magic, this AI gadget is like having a tech wizard in your pocket. Say hello to a world where AI meets playfulness. Netgear Nighthawk M6 Pro Mobile Hotspot Router. Hey there, meet your Wi-Fi superhero, the Netgear Nighthawk M6 Pro Mobile Hotspot Router. No more Wi-Fi dramas. This router brings the magic wherever you roam. Imagine this, a 2.8-inch LCD touchscreen that turns configuring Wi-Fi into a child's play. Need it all day? No prob. Get a whopping 13 hours of non-stop action. Hold on to your hats because the Qualcomm Snapdragon X65 5G modem RF system is here to turbocharge your internet life. And guess what? The omnidirectional antenna turns weak spots into Wi-Fi wonderlands. Ready for warp speed internet? Grab the Netgear Nighthawk M6 Pro because life's too short for slow Wi-Fi. Ohm System TG7 underwater camera. Hey, photo pros and selfie enthusiasts, meet the OM System TG7 underwater camera. Get mind-blowing images with vibrant colors and crystal clear clarity, all thanks to its powerhouse sensor and snazzy image processing. And get this, it's tougher than your morning coffee, waterproof, dustproof, shockproof. This camera laughs in the face of elements. Switch lenses like a boss. The TG7 is the chameleon of cameras with its interchangeable lenses. From epic landscapes to close-up wonders, it's your creative playground, autofocus that reads your mind, image stabilization that's like having a personal photo ninja, and a touchscreen as friendly as your neighbor's dog. The TG7 makes photography a breeze. Whether you're conquering mountains or just your living room. Duracell M150 and M250 portable power stations. Picture this, the M150, your featherlight sidekick, making power portable and trendy. But wait, there's more. The M250 comes with a tiltable lid that's not just a lid, it's your phone's cozy charging throne. Perfect for binge watching while juicing up. And check this out, a charging dock that keeps your power station juiced up and always ready for action. No more power panic. But that's not all, folks. The cord storage feature is like a superhero cape for your cables, putting an end to that messy cable chaos. Oh, and did I mention you have choices? Yep, 2 sizes. Pick your powerhouse, the 150 watt or the 250 watt, the Duracell M150 and M250, because power should be fun, fabulous, and most importantly, in your hands. Settle 9-in-1 car organizer. Meet Settle, the 9-in-1 superhero for your car chaos. It's not just an organizer, it's a magician. Drop your keys, wallet, and daily essentials on the front seat tray. Easy access, no more digging. Lap desk vibes for passengers. Picnic table pit stop, bottle holder sanctuary. Buckle up for a clutter-free ride because Settle, the 9-in-1 organizer, is here to play. Motorola Defy satellite. Adventure calls and the Motorola Defy satellite link answers. No bars, no problem. Here's why we're crushing on this survival superstar. Get chatty with two-way satellite messaging. Even in the middle of nowhere. This gadget laughs in the face of no connectivity with reliable satellite coverage. Lost in the wild? Hit the SOS button, no signal required. Plus, enjoy 1 year of SOS service and the essential plan. Stay connected on every adventure with the Motorola Defy. Where there's a signal, there's a story. Outin Nano Portable Espresso Machine. Say hello to your coffee sidekick. The Outin Nano. It's not just a portable espresso machine, it's your on-the-go barista. Imagine this, a compact marvel that heats up in 3 minutes flat. With one tap, brew your golden ratio coffee anywhere, anytime. It's like having a coffee wizard in your pocket. Ground coffee or capsule lover. No worries, Outin Nano does both with its 2-in-1 brewing magic. Sip on silky smooth espresso like a boss. Here's the best part. It heats up 50 ml of cold water to the perfect 205 degrees. Outin's got the temperature and timing game on lock, so you don't have to. Get ready for espresso bliss in a bottle. EPICKA Universal Travel Adapter 1. Meet the travel ninja of adapters. With plugs for 150 plus countries, it's the ultimate jet setter's sidekick. USA, Japan, Italy, you name it. Power up your squad. 6-in-1 magic with 4 USB-A, 1 USB-C, and an AC socket. Charge iPhones, laptops, cameras, you name it, we got it. Quick heads up. We're not a voltage superhero, so no high-power appliances. But hey, who needs them when you've got this global game changer? Charge on, wanderers. VELO 3-in-1 expandable Vardside luggage. Meet the VELO 3-in-1, the suitcase that dances to your travel tune. Small carry-on, medium check-in, large check-in. It's the size-shifting rock star of luggage. Buttons on top, pop-up handle extra wide. Voila! Aerospace-grade awesomeness. Customizable dividers, a laptop bag, and packing cubes. This suitcase is basically a superhero. Pack it once, and you're set for a lifetime of adventures. Goodbye, suitcase shuffle. Hello, VELO vibes. Pompeak Sub-Aquatic Men's Dive Watch. Dive into style with the Pompeak Sub-Aquatic Dive Watch, a British-Swiss love affair on your wrist. Crafted from Nano 4L stainless steel, this watch is tougher than your morning coffee. Dive deep or conquer the city. It's a 200 water-resistant style statement. And guess what? It's not just a watch. It's a night ski glow party with Swiss Superluminova, style, quality, and function. Pompeak Sub-Aquatic is here to make your wrist the talk of the town. Vista portable hammock and stand. Get ready for relaxation like never before with the Vista portable hammock and stand. Your ticket to instant chill vibes. Hang it wherever, whenever. This hammock is the boss of on-demand relaxation. Slim, sleek, and light as a feather, the stand is like the superhero of comfort. Weighing only 12 pounds but handling 330 pounds. Champ assembly? A breezy 30 seconds. No tools, no tiny annoying parts. And when the adventure's done, just toss it in the adjustable bag, ready for your next chill-out mission. Trust us, this hammock is not just comfy, it's the ultimate body hugger. Philips One by Sonicare battery toothbrush. Meet the Jet Setter's toothbrush, designed for smiles on the go. This little wonder runs for 3 months on a single 8AA battery. And guess what? It's got a fancy case that moonlights as a superhero for the brush head. With micro vibrations that dance around your teeth, it's like a tooth tango. And here's the fun part, a built-in timer that vibes every 30 seconds, guiding you through the ultimate mouth masterpiece. Say goodbye to boring brushes, this one's on a mission to make your teeth dance with joy. Tile Pro. Embark on a journey with your valuables' secret sidekicks. Tile Pro and Apple AirTag. Toss a tile in your checked baggage and let the adventure begin. Why tile? Because it's the ultimate bilingual detective, chatting with both. And here's the magic. It taps into the Tile user network, turning your lost items into global treasures. Say goodbye to baggage blues and hello to worry-free wanderlust. Thanks a million for hanging out with us. If you had a blast, and we know you did, don't be shy. Hit that subscribe button like it owes you money. Let's turn that button gray and make this friendship official. Stay tuned for more awesomeness, and until next time, happy subscribing.